Discipline begins when you choose a small action today instead of waiting for perfect motivation tomorrow. Real change grows slowly through repeated effort performed daily with patience, focus, and quiet personal responsibility. Most people chase inspiration, while disciplined people quietly build powerful habits that shape their future identity. Discipline asks you to act even during moments when comfort whispers excuses inside your tired mind. Small disciplined choices repeated every morning slowly transform ordinary days into meaningful progress toward your goals. The strongest version of you waits behind daily discipline practiced quietly without applause, recognition, or immediate reward. Many dreams disappear because people follow feelings instead of building consistent structure for their daily actions. Discipline feels difficult today, yet regret feels heavier after months of ignoring simple responsibilities. You do not need perfect conditions because disciplined action creates progress even inside imperfect situations. Every morning offers a quiet decision between comfortable delay or disciplined movement toward a meaningful life. Discipline teaches your mind to obey long-term vision instead of temporary emotional storms. Your future improves when daily actions match the person you truly want to become. Discipline builds quiet confidence because promises made to yourself slowly become promises you consistently keep. Progress begins the moment you respect time more than temporary comfort or distracting entertainment. Discipline means doing necessary work with focus even when nobody notices your daily effort. Each small victory strengthens the identity of a person who finishes what they start.
Discipline protects your goals from distraction, laziness, doubt, and endless searching for easier paths.
Many successful lives grow from boring routines repeated daily with patience, commitment, and personal standards.
When discipline becomes habit, your actions move forward without constant debate inside your mind.
You gain freedom later by accepting structure, responsibility, and effort during this present moment. Discipline quietly removes chaos from life through consistent daily decisions that support meaningful direction. You become stronger each time you finish work after motivation disappears from your mind. Discipline teaches patience because valuable results usually grow slower than emotional human expectations today. A disciplined life creates stability, clarity, purpose, and steady movement toward the future you imagine. Discipline grows stronger when you repeat useful actions during ordinary days without waiting for emotional excitement. Every disciplined step today quietly builds a stronger foundation for opportunities arriving later in life. Your habits shape your identity long before the world recognizes your progress or your potential. Discipline trains your mind to focus energy on meaningful actions instead of endless distraction. Small improvements repeated daily create powerful momentum that slowly changes the direction of your life. Most people underestimate the power of simple actions performed consistently across many ordinary days. Discipline removes the need for constant motivation by creating structure that guides your behavior automatically. Your daily schedule becomes a powerful tool when discipline transforms intention into visible, consistent action. Success rarely appears suddenly because disciplined progress grows quietly beneath the surface for long periods. Discipline asks you to respect commitments even during moments when motivation disappears completely. When you honor your routine, your confidence grows because your actions prove your reliability. Each disciplined day adds another brick to the strong foundation of your future success. It strengthens your focus by teaching your mind to ignore distractions that steal valuable time. Your goals become clearer when disciplined action replaces confusion, hesitation, and endless planning.
Discipline reminds you that growth requires effort, patience, and courage during uncomfortable moments.
Every challenge becomes easier when discipline teaches your mind to continue moving forward calmly. Discipline transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary progress through the quiet power of consistency. Future self benefits greatly from the disciplined decisions you choose to make today. Many successful journeys begin with a simple decision to respect time and effort daily. Discipline builds resilience because repeated effort trains your mind to handle difficulty calmly. The path of discipline often feels quiet, yet it leads toward powerful personal transformation. Many people quit early because they expect dramatic change instead of trusting patient, consistent effort. Discipline reminds you that real transformation grows from small actions repeated across many ordinary days. Your strongest advantage in life becomes the ability to continue working while others easily give up.
Discipline strengthens your character each time you finish tasks, even when your mind asks you to stop.
The person you become tomorrow depends greatly on the discipline you practice today. Discipline teaches you to replace excuses with responsibility and replace hesitation with meaningful action.
Your confidence increases naturally when disciplined behavior becomes your normal daily standard.
Small disciplined actions slowly create a life that once seemed impossible to achieve. The journey of discipline may feel slow, yet it always moves you closer toward your true potential. Every disciplined step forward proves that your future remains shaped by your daily decisions.
Discipline protects your dreams from the destructive habits that quietly steal valuable time.
The strongest people often appear ordinary because discipline hides behind consistent daily effort. Discipline transforms your mindset from wishing for change into actively building the life you imagine. Every moment you choose discipline, you strengthen the powerful habit of personal responsibility. Your future success grows from thousands of small disciplined actions performed with patience. Discipline reminds you that greatness grows slowly through quiet effort rather than loud promises. Each disciplined morning becomes a powerful step toward the life you truly desire. The power of discipline appears simple, yet it quietly shapes the direction of your entire life. Your goals become achievable when discipline turns intention into consistent daily progress. Discipline invites you to become the person capable of building the future you imagine. One disciplined decision today can begin the powerful transformation of your entire life.